Welcome to Think a Bit. I'm Joe King, and today's January 28th, and the price of Bitcoin is 37,900. And this video today is going to be about WeatherXM. Now, this is just my educated opinion on it. Always do your own research. Now, WeatherXM is a community-based weather network. So I guess you put up a sensor like at your house, your location, community-based weather network. And for being part of their network, you can earn some crypto. They'll pay you out in their token. But what's wrong with the weather network we have now? I mean, what's going to be so much better about WeatherXM? Well, if you guys remember about satellite radio, there was like right now there's still Sirius XM, but there was just plain old XM radio, satellite radio. And their big thing was, uncensored, no commercials, commercial free. So I think that's basically what WeatherXM's promising. Commercial free, uncensored, raw weather. I mean, should you buy one? That's the big question. Now, I'm still on the fence about buying one because if I can buy a sensor, hook it up to my house, and if they let me give my own weather line number so people can call people locally, it'll be like a local number. If people locally can call my weather station and get an update, it'll be like, the time is 5:41, current temperature 20 degrees. And then if I could record like a little weather update saying, oh yeah, it's real snowy outside. I mean, if you're driving, make sure you be careful driving because it's snowing. And if you're walking outside, make sure you got a hat, a scarf, some gloves. And yeah, from over here, my location is kind of snowy, so be careful and make sure to let your pets inside. So if I could do like a weather update from my weather sensor and people could call it and I could tell them the weather happening around here, I think I would do it. But I don't know if they're that advanced yet. And I don't even think they have an app. I mean, okay, we're building a weather network, but they're rushing out way too quick. I think they're moving way too quick. Because first thing I think they need to do is get an app in the app store. And then if they get some sensors in a current location, I guess they could take a average of that location and use those weather stats. Or if you have a favorite weather person in your neighborhood, you could click on his weather station or call his number and get the weather update of the day. I mean, that's a great idea, right? This would be a great project if it was like that. But no, look at this. I think WeatherXM is just trying to make some quick bucks off the Helium project. You see all these Helium project clones. They've seen Helium blow up and explode. And look at their map. They're using hexagons again. Come on. We already seen the hexagon thing from Helium. If anything, why are you going to copy them? If anything, you should do triangles or something. Triangles, rectangles, circles. We don't need more hexagons. Now, another thing that's really important, and it's kind of a red flag to me, is their YouTube channel. Look at this. They have one video on their YouTube channel only, and it only has 2,000 views. Come on. I have way more views than that on my YouTube channel. So let's take a look at the device right now. Let's take a look at this. I think I got a boy here. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to say it looks bad or anything. I think it's a decent looking device. I mean, the price ain't that bad, like $390. I mean, if you're interested in buying one, I think they're having a sale, so make sure you have a lookout February 1st on their website, because I got an email saying if I want to purchase one, be on the lookout February 1st. So, am I going to get one or not? I think I'm going to pass on this one because they only have one YouTube video. And let's take a look at their Twitter. How many tweets, when they sign up, how many look at this. They're only following one person. They only have 1,200 followers. That's a red flag. And when they sign up for Twitter, it doesn't even say when they signed up. When was the earliest tweet? I probably could scroll down and find it because, oh, look at this. Wow, the earliest. Well, that's kind of old, I guess. Damn, but they don't got no tweets. They've been on Twitter for this many years and only got 3 tweets. Look at this. Their oldest one is March 23rd, 2019. So they had a Twitter for 4 years and they only did like 3 tweets. That's another red flag. I mean, it's a gamble. I mean, every time you go into any crypto project, you just gotta, view the pros and cons. And the cons in this is like one YouTube video, only got like 4 tweets on Twitter. They're using hexagons. Look like they're just trying to make some money off helium being a success. But I do like the Rebel Weather, commercial free weather, like SiriusXM. And satellite radio, it's still around today. So, but they need to build an app. And like they need to build an app, and if they can get a deal in, like let's say they get a deal with AccuWeather. I know AccuWeather did something with Chainlink. I don't know what for, but if they can get a deal with like one of these big weather apps and saying, "Hey, we want to provide you guys with some more local based data," then if they could close a deal like that, but I don't see any of that happening right away. So right now it's just taking a gamble, and I'll wait to take my gamble later on down the road, because you seen with helium, their version 1 devices sucked. Those first helium devices. So if this project is a success, I think they're gonna come out with better devices, and I'll wait for a better device to come out. I'm not saying this device sucks, but I mean version 1 device. I'll wait to take my gamble on later on down the road. I mean, what is WeatherXM? Yeah, that's the name of their company, X Machina. XMA China. Wow. You guys see that at the end of their company, China? X Mac. Wow, this is not good. That's another red flag. What else? What else can we look at here? I was on their website and I was looking for a roadmap, and I can't find no roadmap. If you guys could show me the map on here. See, mine your local weather on the blockchain. All right, I can mine on the blockchain, but how come you don't have an app in the app store? And how come you don't got no deal with WeatherBug? Come on, that's a big thing. And with their name having China included into it, that's a big red flag. Another horrible thing. Look at this. It's a ERC20 token. Who's still building on Ethereum? Nobody wants to build on Ethereum nowadays. There's so many other blockchains, cheaper ones. You should have built on Algo, Avalanche, Solana, any of the better blockchains. It's an Ethereum token, so that's another red flag. Ethereum tokens, man, that's like, who's using Ethereum tokens in 2022? Ethereum tokens, that's like, come on, that's 2020 right there. Ethereum's a dead chain. It's just a matter of time. We're not going to keep paying these crazy gas fees. Ethereum token, it's good. Red flag, red flag. Look at this. Still no roadmap. I'm still searching for a roadmap. Here's their name. XMAC China. XMAC China. So, you guys want to go with some China weather company? I mean, who knows what China will be using all this data for? I don't know. I don't want to be giving China my data. That's why I don't do TikTok, because I don't want to give China all my stuff in my cell phone. I want to have China have access to all my pictures and files in my phone. That's why I can't even use TikTok. They're hiring. What they don't even. I mean, look at this. They don't even have a blockchain software engineer. They don't even have that. They don't even have a firmware engineer. They don't have a full stack software engineer. They don't have a back-end software engineer. Oh, wow, community manager. Maybe I should apply here. If they want a good community manager, I'm the man. iOS engineer. Wow. Come on. Look at all this. They don't even have a team in place. They're hiring for all these people. I mean, don't you think you guys should like hire people before you launch a project? So it's looking like they're day one. I mean, they don't even have like the right firmware out. Look at this. Look at this. They want a firmware engineer. So they just want to sell you a broken down device, and they're hoping to do a whole bunch of firmware updates to fix it. Don't buy the version 1 weather station. Trust me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are buying one of these. But for my educated opinion, I would say stay away from this. If you want to, I would say just watch the project from the outside at first. Do not put your money. There'll be more chances for you to purchase one in the future. You probably could purchase a better device, not this version 1 that needs all these firmware updates. But stay away from now. Stay away from it for now and watch it from the distance. That's my educated opinion. Always do your own research, though. Always do your own research. And let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's it.